Hello friends, today I am going to unbox this boat smartwatch. This is the first look of this watch. This is watch. This is cable, USB cable. There is a magnetic charger facility in this watch, 1 year warranty card, and some other documentation regarding this watch. Now we're going to start this watch. Maybe this watch is not charged yet, so I have to charge this watch. After this watch will start. There is no adapter in this watch. This is charging point. The magnetic charger facility is there. Now you have to charge this watch. After this watch will on. I try it once more time. Now this watch has to be charged first, then there will be light. So this is the unboxing of this boat smart storm watch. You can see the specification: 1.3 inch into 2.5D full touch display, blood oxygen monitor, 24/7 heart rate, and mental body casing. These are the key features, and following activities are being added in this. You can see personalized watch, yoga, cycling, and many other. So detailed review of this watch I will upload it in this video in few days. Till then, goodbye. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel.